The first modular difference between Drupal 8 and 7 is the addition of the Actions module. In Drupal 7, the Actions module was part of the System module, and it was strongly associated with another core module called Trigger. The actions that the System module supplied were particular operations that would occur when certain triggers happened, and the Triggers module would supply a list of triggers that you could associate with the particular actions. Most of the time in Drupal 7, people would install a contributed module called Rules, which was like the Trigger module but much more powerful. In Drupal 8, Rules is probably going to continue to be the de facto way to trigger particular events based on a variety of conditions. Because of that, the Trigger module has been removed, but there are still numerous contributed modules that use the actions supplied by the Actions module, so it was retained but disabled by default. The next change is that Activity Tracker used to be called Tracker, but it's still the same thing. If we went over to Drupal 7 and we scroll down to the T's, we would see Tracker right here, and it's the same thing. Automated cron, like the Actions module, used to be part of the Systems module in Drupal 7, but has been separated out into an individual module. This way it can be disabled if you'd like. The ban module used to be part of the System module as well. We talked about it a little bit earlier. In Drupal 7, we had a menu item under Configuration and People where we could block IP addresses. This is something that's been moved into the ban module and is disabled by default. In Drupal 7, we had the blog module. In Drupal 8, this has been removed because it's much more powerful to create a blog using views. The features that the blog module provided are relatively trivial to build with the views module, but in order to adjust the output of the blog module, you would have to work through the template system, whereas with views, we have a lot more power over that output in the user interface.